this video, I'm going to walk you through the complete CPA affiliate marketing paid traffic method that could make you $173 a day. But before I dive into the video, let me quickly show you guys some proof real quick to tell you the person you're about to learn from is someone who practice what it takes. So you guys could see right here that this is a balance of $173 right here sent to me by CPA lead right here. And you guys could see right here that these are payment withdrawals from my CPA lead right here. And this is just to tell you that what I'm about to teach you right here in this video is something I've done for myself and something that could work for you. So this video is going to be a complete CPA paid marketing tutorial for beginners, because in this video I'm going to be walking you through 3 easy steps that you could use to achieve the same result for yourself. So the first step right here is to create an account on any CPA marketing platform you may know. So for the purpose of this video right here, I'm going to be using CPA lead as an example, because the money I literally showed you guys earlier literally came from CPA lead. So the first thing you need to do right here is to head over to cpalead.com. So once you're on the website, basically all you need to do right here is to click on the sign up button. So once you click on the sign up button right here, it's going to load up a bit. It's going to take some time to verify your address, so you're going to be scrolling down a little bit. So once it's done verifying your address right here, it's going to bring you straight up to this page where you'll be asked to fill out your first name, your last name, your email address, and you need to put in your Skype ID. So if you do not have a Skype ID right here, you could just head over to Google right here and create a Skype ID for yourself. Then you could just put that here, then fill out your password, confirm your password. Then once you're done with that, just click on the submit button right here. So once you're done clicking on the submit button right here, they're going to verify your account. So it's going to take them some days to actually verify your account. So just make sure you're always checking your email regularly, so to see if your account has been approved. Once you're done creating your account right here, the next step for us right here is to pick a high converting offer to promote. So in order to do that right here, all you need to do right here is to scroll down a little bit. So once you scroll down a little bit, you guys are going to be seeing a lot of offers right here that you could literally promote on CPA lead. So you can see right here, this offer is going to be paying us to install an app on our phone right here. You can see right here, this is the region. It's going to be paying us $1.17 right here. This is also going to be paying us $0.22. This is also going to be paying us $0.41. So all you need to do right here is to promote the offer that has a fast paying option. So you need to promote the offers that has a fast paying option. And again, you can see right here, you could just follow their instruction right here, and you see this offer is only available for Android users, while this offer is available for iOS users. So you need to make sure you pick an offer that has a high payout and also pays you very fast. And you can see right here, you're going to see that this offer is going to be paying us $0.46 right here. And all we need to do right here is to just get someone right here to just download this app on our phone. And by the way, there are a lot of offers right here on CPA lead. You can just scroll down right here to check out the offers you want. So what I'm going to be doing right here is I'm going to be going with this offer right here. Basically, what this offer is all about is about winning a 250 gas voucher. So, and again, this offer is only available in the US. And by the way, all they need to do right here is to just download this app on their phone. So once we are able to get someone to download this app on our phone right here, we are going to be getting paid $1.74 right here. So what I'm going to be doing right here is I'm going to be clicking on this offer right here to generate my CPA affiliate link right here. And you guys can see right here that this is the link right here that we're going to be promoting. So I'm going to be copying my affiliate link, which is my CPA link right here. So I'm going to click on copy right here. Then once you're done copying your CPA link right here, the next step for us to do right here is to set up our landing page right here. So in order to set up your landing page right here, there is this website I normally use to create my landing page, which is this website right here. So I'm going to be leaving the link in the video description. Basically, once you're on the website, all you need to do is to head over to this menu section right here. So you're going to be seeing this landing page / funnel builder option right here. And by the way, I'm going to be leaving the link to the website in the video description. It's going to be the first link you're going to be seeing down in the video description. Just click on the link right here to go create an account if you know you haven't created an account for yourself. So I'm going to be clicking on this funnel option right here. So once I click on this funnel option, it's going to take me straight to this page. You actually like to select the kind of template you want to use for your website. Basically, so you just choose each of these templates right here, customize it to what you want right here, and create a landing page for yourself. But if you do not know how to create a landing page using this website right here, I'm going to be leaving a video down in the video description, literally walking you through how to create a landing page using this website. So basically, once you're done creating your landing page, it's how your landing page is going to look like. And this is just an example of how CPA affiliate marketing landing page literally looks like. So it's going to be having this call to action right here, where they could literally just click right here to win whatever offer you want them to win. So guys, if you know you haven't subscribed to my channel right here, I'm going to advise you to do so right here to join the family. So anytime I drop any video like this right here, you're going to be the first person to be notified, because my channel is all about making money online. So smash that subscribe button right here and like the video if you know you have found the video helpful so far. So once you're done creating your landing page right here and you already have everything set up right here, so the next thing you need to do right here is to start promoting your CPA affiliate marketing offer. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the best way and also the cheapest way you could use to promote your CPA affiliate marketing offer right here to get the kind of results I showed you guys earlier right here at the beginning of the video. So the name of the website right here that we're going to be using right here to promote our affiliate link or our CPA affiliate marketing offers right here is this website right here called Kodan. And you can see right here, all you need to do is head over to kodan.com. I'm going to be leaving the link to the website in the video description. Just click on it. So once you click on it right here, it's going to take you right here straight to this page. So on this website, you can literally get high quality traffic right here at an affordable price right here. So this website is one of the best. I've been using this website for quite a long time right here, and the traffic this website has been giving me right here are literally amazing, and they are literally converting like crazy. So if you know you haven't set up your account, make sure you create an account. So once you're done creating your account right here, you're going to be coming over to their campaign section right here. So this is where we're going to be setting our campaign, our budget right here. So what I'm going to advise you guys to do is you should start at least, you could start at least with like $10 right here to like $20 right here, but it depends on how much money you're willing to spend on this ad. But I could guarantee you that you're going to be getting a lot of conversion if you're willing to do this right. And by the way guys, if you know you haven't smashed the subscribe button, please make sure you smash the subscribe button right here if you know you're getting value from the video. So once you're done with that, just go through the instruction right here. So you can just leave this place blank right here. Then you're going to be selecting your target country. So your target audience must be United States, because yeah, the kind of offer you're promoting right here is for only United States. So you need to make sure you select United States. But if in case your offer has different kind of country, you could also target them. Then you're also going to be targeting their age right here and also their genders. Once you're basically done with that right here, you just leave everything blank, so they're going to be handling all the rest for you right here. Then once you're done like setting up your campaign and all of that, just click on the start button right here and your campaign is going to be up and running. Then with this right here, with time, you're going to be getting a lot of conversion. So once you start getting a lot of conversion, you're going to be start seeing a lot of sales right here from your affiliate or your CPA affiliate marketing platform. So once your ad is set up right here, you're going to start seeing conversion. So that was how I was able to make $173 right here. I showed you guys in the beginning of the video by just using like cheap traffic right here to literally get this result for myself. And I could guarantee you guys that I only spend around just close to $25 right here. So this is massive profit right here from just CPA marketing, to tell you that you could literally make money from CPA marketing. So if you know you love the video, make sure you smash the subscribe button, like the video, and if you know you want to ask me any question, feel free to go to the comment section below right here and drop me your question. I'm going to be answering all your questions. So guys, if you know you want more website you can use to promote your affiliate link or your CPA affiliate marketing link right here, you can just check out the video right here popping right here on your screen, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.